How to access your order via email. You receive an email from Awaken 180 notifying you that it's time to order more food. As stated in the prerequisite, this email will get generated by your coach. Click the Let's Place My Order button. If you are already signed into the website, you will get redirected to the order form where you can choose the products you'd like. If you are not signed in, you will get redirected to the sign-in page where you can sign in with your email and password. After signing in, you should get redirected to the order form where you can choose your food. If you are not redirected there, please go back to your email and click the Let's Place My Food Order button one more time. Now, you should see the order form. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.